Welcome to Hevlendordesigns. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create this halftone typography in CorelDRAW. Without any further delay, open your CorelDRAW. So we're going to be making use of the rectangle tool. Pick the rectangle tool. Okay. Now you're going to hold down your control key. So we're going to make a perfect square. Just hold down the control key, click and drag. So these are square. Now we're going to size it up. We're going to be using 100mm by 100mm. Okay, so I'm going to duplicate this, just reduce from this point and right click to duplicate. Then I'll make another smaller version, say 5mm by 100. So I'll just click, select this one, bring it down to right click to duplicate it, and align left and center to align it to the bottom. So I'm going to delete the big square and select the both bars and fill it in. So right now the next thing we're going to do is to blend it. So I'll pick the blend tool. Here's the blend tool, and wow. So on the property bar, we're going to reduce the number of objects that we want. There's this up and scale handle, but we can just type in number 13 just to make it faster. Okay, so this is what we have. The next thing we're going to do is to duplicate this into 3 other parts and reduce the size. So just duplicate the second one and the first blend, just reduce this by half. Click and drag. When it gets to the center, you will see the center, you leave it. So that's half of it. Okay, so we're going to do the same thing for the second object. Okay, now we're going to duplicate this again. Right click to duplicate, and we're going to repeat the same action, reduce it to half. The same thing for this one, reduce to half. So the next thing we're going to do is to type out our later. We're going to pick the text tool, type artistic text, and you can use any of the letters, but for this tutorial I'm using the letter G. So just make the capital letter G and use a bold font. So I'm using Area Empty Black. Scale it up. So I'll convert this to curve because I will have to power clip the blended lines into it. So I'll just convert it to curve. Can right click and convert text to curve. Okay, change the color, just align it to the center. Then the next thing we're going to do is to rotate this to the angle of 15 or 13 degrees. I think 30 degrees is better. We're going to use 30 degrees. Okay, now I'm going to just align the both objects, scale it up to fit in properly. Select both objects, press the letter C and E to centralize it. So the next thing we're going to do is to duplicate the letter on these other frames. So click and drag. Okay, you right click to have a copy. Just align it. Make sure you select the proper bar so it aligns properly. Then we're going to do the same thing for this one. I hope you're getting the point. So if you have any question, drop it in the comment section below. So now we're going to power clip each of these blends into the circle. So go to the object menu, look out for power clip. I think that's the third item. Okay, so select place inside frame. Repeat the same action for the other ones. Object menu, power clip, place inside the frame, and the last one. I hope you're understanding. Okay, so now we're going to do a marquee selection and remove the fill. No fill. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is to align these 3 objects together. That will give us a halftone for this tutorial. We're almost done. If you have any question or you're confused about anything, drop it in the comment section below and I will attend to your question. So the first one, just click and drag, hold down your control key so it doesn't move from the same line, and make sure you're picking from the node so this doesn't happen to you. Okay, so just make sure you're picking from the node. Click and drag. Okay, carefully click and drag so you can drop this here. So this is what we have. Do a marquee selection and bring in all of them to the middle of the page. So this is our halftone. If you have any question, drop it to the comment section below. If you love this tutorial, give it a thumbs up, like and share. Make sure you subscribe so that others can get to see this video. Give it a thumbs up. That's what makes this video go round. And we have other tutorials in our playlist in the description. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.